my fellow Fijians and citizens of planet Earth. It is another Earth Hour night. The emphasis tonight is once more on the wonder or the power that is unleashed and the miracle we produce when we act together for the greater good of all of us. The desire to change climate change for those most vulnerable among us brought all of us together here tonight. This Earth Hour, we are challenged to believe that we can, quote, change climate change, unquote. This simply means that climate change does not have to be a helpless situation. If we prepare and if we map our actions to lessen the impact. In a nutshell, if we adapt, and adapt we must. I am sure that some of us city dwellers do not think too much about climate change. I mean, some of us do not take it too personal because the sea is not inundating our homes, or we have pretty reliable water supply systems from sources that are not too exposed to the elements. Some of us see their situation as pretty okay and do not even give a thought to the grim situations faced by others. So, for some of us, it is not hard to brush climate change aside. But not far from where we are, maritime islanders like those that live on Mali Island cannot do the same. Climate change literally rocks their world. We have examples of coastal communities like the Bundangalo and the Kaurori who were forced to flee to higher ground when the sea washed into their homes. There are cane farmers and cane farmers as well as farms in Mombasa who had to do the same because their farms had been destroyed because of saltwater intrusion. And there is Mali Island, where the dry weather persists. Trouble falls hard on this island paradise. Water sources either dry up or get contaminated by seawater. Needless to say, water is a basic need. All else is abandoned as the search for water takes precedence over the past couple of years. Now, over this past couple of years, the islanders attest to the weather getting hotter and drier. It is then that the struggle for water becomes the struggle for life. Climate change is a real presence in their lives, the lives of the islanders on Mali Island. They will discuss this important topic over meals, during social gatherings, village meetings, just about everywhere. It impacts the very core of their communal existence. Threatening individual safety, thoughts of leaving the island and moving to towns and cities are increasingly contemplated. And unless they adapt, climate change will overwhelm them. Massive rural to urban migration has severe social and economic ramifications. So before some of us again brush aside this issue, let me emphasize that climate change affects you. It affects all of us. Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are here tonight because we have chosen to make climate change our business, to acknowledge that we understand climate change and that we will not ignore climate change. Your presence here ensures that water tanks will be purchased for the Mali Islanders to store water in substantial quantities well before the dry season sets in. It may not be a complete panacea for all their water problems, but it does give them access to clean drinking water all the time. It builds their resilience to climate change, and you are all an instrumental part of that process. It is the essence of Earth Hour that we work together to deal with the single most important challenge facing the world today, climate change. It is crucial that we face this common denominator and build our resilience as individuals, as a community, and as a nation. So tonight, as we come together as a human family, fellow species of this beautiful planet that we all call Earth, we celebrate our shared power. Our power to make a difference, to give hope, to inspire actions that change the story of climate change from one of despair to joy, from helplessness to enlightenment, and from a state of vulnerability to resilience. Tonight, we rewrite climate change. Tonight, we stand together as undefeated citizens of a shared planet, a common home in the face of climate change. For there is never going to be a better time to make that stand than now. So I request to dig deep for the options that are to be featured this evening, as all the proceeds are going towards the Mali Water Access Project. Let us celebrate our power with Earth Hour. And once more, let me say that it is an honor for me to be here for this most prestigious occasion. And I look forward to meeting you all individually during the evening. Thank you. Vinakawadalevu. Shukriya. Bahut Dayana.
Welcome to Earth Hour 2015. Let's give a big round of applause.